Hey guys, before watching this video, please remember to subscribe to the channel, and if you have time, also put on notifications so you never miss an upload.
Dude, we can reset it, dude. We haven't even edited anything yet.
Let me go home, 'cause I'm gonna die right now. Let me go home, 'cause I'm gonna die right now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pipes kill you if you didn't know that.
Dude, can we see a little bit of your face, the person that's playing the game?
No, 'cause I'm gonna die soon. I just know it. Every time you move that! Wait, what? Oh! I just got out of the game. That's stupid. So I'm the one playing. Oh gosh. So yeah, let's go. And
It looked like you kissed the Mario pole.
wait, those are freaking. Oh
yeah, Mario time.
I'm on the invisible cheat. How do you like that move?
Let me try this out to see if I can.
You
This time it's my turn, you know? You can actually see my face. Actually, it looks kind of creepy on the camera, but whatever. Yeah, guys.
It looks like we're in a house. Haunted house.
Yeah. Also, guys, I don't know if this video is gonna come out either after or before my birthday video. So,
When is gonna be?
like, I don't know if this is gonna be
12.
Yeah, my actual birthday's on the 16th, but with birthday time schedules and everyone else, we're doing it early because of, like, reasons. Because you know how birthday parties go. And, yeah. So, yeah, guys.
No, it's not your real birthday yet.
Tell me if the video's out, like, after this or before this video, because, yeah.
So
Okay.
now let's get this video over with.
Okay, Colton, you finish this all off for us all. And don't die within the first 5 minutes or 2 seconds of the game, okay? That would be really, really, really bad. Why are we not talking? It's just me making noises, making it look like that I'm making the noise.
No, that was so good.
Anyway, so guys.
30 tops it off.
Anyway, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the
that
video.
video.
If you did, please give it a like. And let's try aim for 3 likes. Colton. Yeah, let's just try to do 3 likes.
5.
5?
Yeah, 5. 35. 35 likes.
We can do that. We don't even have.
Oh, I know. 1 million likes on this video.
No, Colton, no.
Okay, 4.
4 likes? Okay, guys, there's probably a lot of just words on the screen right now that just said 5, 4, 9 million subscribers.
Wait, that actually does that?
No, you didn't see. We didn't see that because that's only in the editing process. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like that you saw on screen.
4 likes.
Yeah, there we go. 4 likes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Oh, we forgot to do the intro for today's video. Oh my god.
God, that was a film.
I'm probably just gonna add like the intro at the beginning, like
Yeah. So yeah, if you guys like the video,
give it
please subscribe.
give it 4 likes.
4 likes on this video. And that's pretty much it.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Bye.